Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Pre-3 class. How are you? I hope so you all will be fine. Okay students, today is our phonics lecture. Okay, look at the board, read date and month. Month is December, date 18/2020, class work and the day Friday. Okay, Friday, Friday. हमने जो कल वर्ड्स राइमिंग वर्ड्स रीड किए थे पेज नंबर 41 पे इन वर्ड्स, ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स, तो उनको हम पहले रिवाइज करेंगे, ठीक है। मैंने वर्ड राइट करना है और आपने मुझे उसकी राइम और रीड करके वर्ड को फिर सुनाना है, ठीक है। लुक एट द बोर्ड केयरफुली. Read this word. Well done. Good. B in bin. B in bin. B in bin. Next. Read this. Good, well done. In fin. In fin. In fin. B in bin. In fin. Next. War in win. Read this. War in win. War in win. B in bin. In fin. War in win. Next. Read this. Good, well done. T in tin. T in tin. T in tin. And last word is P in pin. P in pin. P in pin. Read these words again. B in bin. B in bin. In fin. War in win. T in thin. P in pin. ठीक है। कल जो है हमने इन वर्ड्स के बुक पे भी और नोटबुक पे बिगनिंग साउंड्स के साथ इन वर्ड्स को राइट किया और साथ में राइमिंग वर्ड्स भी राइट किए, रीड एंड राइट राइमिंग वर्ड्स। तो आज जो है वो हमारा टॉपिक है सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है। आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो सेंटेंसेस का है। टॉपिक सेंटेंसेस। ठीक है, जो है हम इनके इन वर्ड्स के सेंटेंसेस को रीड करेंगे प्रॉपरली। ओके, लुक एट द बोर्ड. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एंड फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आ. रीड दिस. आ. आ. ई. फिश. ई. फिश. जी, ये साउंड क्या है? आ. फिश. आ. फिश. रीड लाउडली. आ. फिश. ई. फिश. आ. फिश. ह. Add had, 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 a fish had, a fish had, had, a fish had, yellow. Read loudly. Yellow. Yellow. A fish had, had yellow. Yellow. A fish. Read again. A fish had yellow fin. Fin. A fish had yellow fin. A fish had yellow fin. Next. Eat, it. Eat, it. Eat, it. Got, it got, it got, her, it hit, read loudly. Her, it hit, it got, it got, her, it hit, it got hit. With, with, it got hit with, it got, her, it hit, with, it got hit with, a pin. Read loudly. It, got, her, it hit, with, a pin. A fish had yellow fin. A fish had yellow fin. It got hit with a pin. Pin. Next. It, eater, it, always. Read this. Always. It, always. Read this word. Always. Look at this word. Always. Always. It, always. It, always. Always. Read loudly. Always. It, always, it always. वो एंट want, वो एंट want, वो एंट want, वो एंट want. Ed wanted, Ed wanted. It always wanted, it always wanted, it always wanted. These words are difficult. Read again and again, okay? Always, always. Read loudly. Always. Wanted, wanted, wanted. Always wanted. Look at the board, everyone. Always wanted, it always wanted. Or two, or two. War in win, war in win. It always wanted to win, it always wanted to win, it always wanted to win. A fish had yellow in fin. It got hit with a pin. It always wanted to win. Next. But, 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 war as was, war as was, but was pegged, p a k k, peg, p a k k, peg. But was peg, p a k k, peg, p a k k, peg. But was peg, but was peg. Ed pegged, ed pegged. But was pegged, p a k k, peg, ed pegged. Read this word, pegged, pegged. But was pegged. Eaten in a, but was pegged in a, t in tin, t in tin. But was pegged in a, t in tin. But was pegged in a tin. A fish had yellow fin. It got hit with a pin. It always wanted to win, but was pegged. But was pegged. Read this word. Pegged in a tin. In tin. And last sentence is later. Read this word. Later. 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 Look at the board. Later. Later. Thrown. 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 Later. Thrown. Later. Thrown. Later. Thrown. In a in bin. In bin. In bin. Later. Thrown in a bin. Later. Thrown in a bin. A fish had yellow fin. Read this sentence. Look at the board carefully. A fish had yellow fin. A fish had yellow fin. It got hit. It got hit with a pin. Pin. It always. Read this word. Always. Read loudly. Always. It always wanted. It always wanted. Read this word. Wanted. It always wanted to win. But was pegged. Peg and pegged. But was pegged in a tin. Later. Later. Thrown. Thrown. Later. Thrown in a bin. Later. Thrown in a bin. ठीक है, हमने ये जो है सेंटेंसेस बोर्ड पे रीड किए. अब जो है वो हम बुक पे रीड करेंगे. ओपन योर फोनिक्स बुक. Okay student, page number 42. Open page number 42 and read these sentences. A fish had a yellow fin. It got hit with a pin. Pin. It got hit with a pin. It always. Read this word. Put finger on this word. Always. It always wanted to win. It always wanted to win. But was pegged. Read this. Pegged but was packed in a tin, later thrown in a bin, bin। ठीक है, अब आप लोगों ने जो है वो आज की डायरी आपकी यही है कि आपने पेज नंबर 42 पे ये जो सेंटेंसेस हैं इनको अच्छे से आपने लर्न करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, अल्लाह हाफिज़।